Welcome to our step-by-step guide on how to make a website on Wix.com. In this video, we will walk you through the process using photos and images from Wix.com to create a realistic experience. To begin, go to Wix.com and sign up for a free account. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken to the Wix editor, where you can start building your website. First, choose a template that suits your needs. Wix offers a wide range of templates for different industries and purposes. Browse through the options and select the one that best represents your brand or idea. Once you've chosen a template, you can customize it to make it your own. Wix provides a drag-and-drop interface, making it easy to add and rearrange elements on your website. You can add text, images, videos, and more to create a visually appealing and engaging website. Don't forget to personalize your website by adding your own content. Write compelling copy that tells your story and showcases your products or services. Use high-quality images and videos to capture the attention of your visitors. Wix also offers a variety of apps and features that you can integrate into your website. From contact forms to social media feeds, you can enhance the functionality of your site with just a few clicks. Once you're satisfied with the design and content of your website, it's time to publish it. Wix provides a seamless publishing process, allowing you to make your website live with just a few simple steps. Before we wrap up, we'd like to ask you to subscribe to our channel and like our videos. By doing so, you'll stay updated with our latest content and support our channel. Thank you for watching our step-by-step guide on how to make a website on Wix.com. We hope you found this video helpful and that you're now ready to create your own stunning website.